Alright, we are here on this lovely Saturday in Veszprém, and today we are going to go hiking in the Visegrád Mountains. We finally arrived here in Pilisen-kereszt, where we can finally start our hike. And we are here at this rock formation called Zsivány Sziklák in Hungarian. And if you want to translate it, it's rogue rocks in English. It's so fucking beautiful. I like the trees. It's so enchanting.
It's really...
Alright, we are already in the village, and soon we will get to the scenic viewpoint. We are here on this lovely trail.
It's indeed beautiful.
Yeah, I really love the atmosphere of this forest. We are on our way to Esztergom. And yeah.
And the sun is finally shining on us.
Yeah.
Azon is így gondolkod, hogy én néztem egy kivel még korábban, és akkor szerintem megyek. Azon is így gondolkod.
Alright, we finally arrived here at the scenic viewpoint. So yeah, it's very beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, follow me for more, and in case you are a bit more interested in our trip, make sure to check out my YouTube channel for the long video.